Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Detect Auto maintenance recommendation platform directly inside of Tekmetric. The first thing that you need to do after you download our browser extension and get everything set up through the onboarding process is ensure that you can see the big blue Detect Auto button right next to the job history on the Tekmetric estimate page. Once you see that button and you click on it, our Detect Auto side panel will open up, showing you a few different things. The first one being the vehicle attributes. This is the equipment and the components that are attached to the vehicle that dictate the maintenance recommendations we see on this next page here. And so, if I were to go into this repair order and I wanted to say, let's go ahead and add the overdue brake fluid service that we see on the page here, all I would need to do would be expand that row, scroll down, and go ahead and click this button to add that job to the repair order. Once I refresh my page here, I will actually see when I scroll down that we just added that full BG brake system service directly to the ticket. One of the cool things about our platform too is we let you show overdue services based on time, mileage, and if the recommendation's coming from your shop's internal standard or from the manufacturer's standard as well, as indicated by this little factory symbol. Finally, on this page, we also give you the option to print or export the maintenance recommendations for your customers. And lastly, if we click over to this final tab, we will show you all the service history for that vehicle, whether it's happening in your shop, if it's been manually recorded by your team, or if it's been reported via Carfax. Hope that helps give you an overview of how the maintenance recommendation platform works. And if you have questions, let us know. Thanks.